This is the Lego Creator. We love the 3-in-1 sets. It just gives a lot more opportunity to make projects. Plus, I feel like smaller projects build the momentum for then building a larger project. This is so cute. I got this as a gift for my mother-in-law, who is an editor. So I just thought this would be really cute for her to assemble and keep at her desk. And then it just also comes with these other projects. So it is 363 pieces. It recommends 8 and up. I feel like that's a little generous. It could probably be even less. But very, very happy. We've had several of these 3-in-1 kits that we've built as a family, and I will definitely continue to buy them. Super cute project.